This short film was written and filmed 10 years ago. It kept in my heart this till now. It's a story about there is a reverse waterfall, and whoever been there gets some sort of time travel and look back. Our protagonist trying very hard to find out the truth that been bothering him for the past decade. So he's always had this hallucination that he committing a crime in the forest for the past 9 years. The depth of field of the last sensor with 1080p. Back then, DSLR video is the best tool we can get beside the real cinema camera due to the budget. With the opportunity Fujifilm given together with the X-H2S open gate ability, I decided to finish the film by combining the new Anamorphic footage shooting on X-H2S and the old dated DSLR footage to tell the untold story of a decade ago. Image you can capture our setup this nimble is truly surprising. You can just jump in, get a shot in it, and you are on your way out. You can barely feel the weight of it, focus on the story at hand. Its fast readout speed made it one of the best performers in terms of rolling shutter I ever used, not only among mirrorless, but even in cinema camera. It makes handheld footage that much more natural, and it has that organic look. After de-squeezing the footage from 3:2 aspect ratio with 1.5 times anamorphic, it's 2.25 to 1. It's a very close to the classic anamorphic look we all grew up watching in our favorite movie. It's way better than shooting in 16:9, which gives you a very thin final image. And the 6.2K resolution also gives us some ability to crop in post when delivering in 4K. F-Log 2 is fantastic. Dynamic range is much improved for the original F-Log and gives us much cleaner image and flexibility to grade in post. Internal ProRes recording is amazing. For streamline post-production workflow from the get-go, with this camera, image is captured in the ProRes at the very beginning of the pipeline. The best part is we can choose to shoot in LT, standard ProRes 422 or HQ. This gives us a control on how much memory we will consume, which allows us to anticipate and plan our media resource accordingly. The accumulation of imaging technology pairing Fuji system with Laowa nanomorph lenses, never ever imagined it was possible to shoot anamorphic in a footprint this small. It's quite amazing to see the line between cinema and mirrorless camera have never been blurrier than this, making it easier than ever to focus on the storytelling with tools this accessible.